Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. Just want you guys to check out the new battery that we just got installed. Now, the only thing about today is raining. So, what I'm saying, I can show you guys the inside hookups. As you can see, it looks so much neater this way too. I don't have no wires running right there, so it ain't close. It ain't tough to close the back seats anymore. The bottom connections are for the batteries. The top connection is just for the 1 amp. I'm going to be hooking up other amps pretty soon. I like the setup. The battery is back there where my camera is pointing out. When it's not raining, I'm going to show you guys. I don't want to take no chances on no electrical problems. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, man, it's great, man. It's great. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all check out a song pretty soon. Those of you that are new, please consider subscribing. This channel has a lot of content. You can go and check out my profile and look through it. I have a lot of playlists that's available. You can check out the history of the channel. There's a lot of things been done on this channel, so don't be afraid to check it out, guys, and please consider subscribing. But let's go ahead and get to this song real quick, y'all. Let's go ahead and get to this song. It's a non-copyright artist, so let's go ahead and check her out. It started off kind of crazy.
To be apart, running from my demons, gotta leave them in the dark. I'm floating, they don't leave me any stars. I'm just floating in the stars. Yeah, I'm up in space. Psychedelics crazy, yeah, they made me this way. LSD on my mind, you don't have any taste. The flavor of the trip, put some sour in my face. Going to another place, get the fuck out my way. Got no time for distractions, get the fuck up out my face. Get into the money, yeah, it's just a crazy chase. Running from these bitches cause I know love fade away. Yeah, I know it fade away. You and I won't last. Fuck all of your love, I put it into the past. And fuck all of these hoes, money don't make you have class. Fuck all of the drama, can I see you shake that ass? Baby, go and shake that ass. Shake it off for me. Look into my eyes and tell me what you see. Sleeping in the sky, getting far away from me. Going in my dreams, I know that it's the LSD. I can feel it in my dreams. I can feel it in my dreams. Just she broke my heart. I don't got no love. I told my brain apart. Blowing money yeah, she shake it in the dark. Said she wanna have a baby, but I cannot play a part. See it from the stars, see it up our bars. Run into your arms, cause we hate to be apart. Running from my demons, gotta leave them in the dark. Pop a perk, I'm floating, they don't leave me any scars. I'm just floating in the stars. Yeah, she broke my heart. I don't got no life, I tore my brain apart. Throwing money at her, yeah, she shake it in the dark. Say she wanna have a baby, but I cannot play a part. No, no, no. Yeah, I see it from the stars. See it on my Mars. Run into your arms, cause we hate to be apart. Running from my demons, gotta leave them in the dark. Pop a perk, I'm floating, it don't leave me any scars.
That was nice, but you know, it's hard to really tell y'all when we out here and it's rain, you know what I'm saying, that we can get any good flex. So let's see if we can try something else real quick. This might be a song we ain't heard before on the channel, but it is what it is. I just want y'all to get an idea how this mug sound, how this setup sound. So let's see if we can find a song real quick. I'll tell you, it's a little hard to find one, but we're about to find one real quick. There we go. This was off the bump off. One of the bump offs. All right. Hope you guys liked it there. Now, personally, you know, I really can't tell the difference yet. I mean, I can tell the difference as far as the, you know what I'm saying, power go, but I can't tell the difference as far as the bass go. You know what I'm saying? It seemed like I had a little bit more flex, but on top of that, it's kind of dark. It's kind of dark right now. We're not going to be able to get that much sunlight today because of all the rain. So we just had to do the best that we could today, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I needed to bring something out to get you guys, you know, informed on a new battery and let you guys know what's going on. You know, so if you like the video, smash that like button. If you're new, you should consider subscribing. And also thank you guys for watching. You know, I appreciate all of you. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.